Hello everyone, in this video you'll learn how to disable pop-ups on Google Chrome. There are two ways to do this. I'm going to show you both of the methods. You can disable pop-ups for a specific website or for all websites. First, let's look at how to disable pop-ups for an individual website. For example, open Google Chrome and go to the website where you want to block pop-ups. Okay, I will open Wikipedia. Look at the left side of the address bar. You'll see a small icon. Click on the icon. If you see an option for pop-ups and redirects, you can toggle this setting to block pop-ups directly. If this option is not available, click on Site Settings. In the Site Settings menu, scroll down to find pop-ups and redirects. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Block. This will stop pop-ups from appearing on this particular website. This method is helpful if you only want to block pop-ups on certain websites while allowing them on others. Now let's see how to disable pop-ups on all websites. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of the browser. Go to Settings. In the left sidebar, click on Privacy and Security. Then select Site Settings. Scroll down to find pop-ups and redirects. Here you'll see two options, Allow and Don't Allow. Select Don't Allow to block pop-ups on all websites. This option ensures that no website can show pop-ups, providing a smoother browsing experience. If you ever want to allow pop-ups on a trusted website, you can return to these settings and adjust them. Taking control of your browser settings can help protect your privacy and make your time online more enjoyable. That's how you disable pop-ups on Google Chrome for individual websites and all websites. Thank you for watching.